morning everyone, I am teacher Joy and I will be discussing about human digestive system and its structure. So what is digestive system? Digestive system, it's a complex food processor that involves mechanical and chemical processes. This image shows the structures of human digestive system.
Mouth. The mouth or oral cavity is the beginning of the digestive tract and is the part in which food is taken. It includes accessory structures such as the tongue, teeth, and salivary glands, among others. The mouth is where food is first processed mechanically and chemically. Ingestions or eating is the process of taking food into the body through the mouth. The teeth are bone-like structures in the upper and lower parts of the mouth. They are responsible for mastication or chewing, which is the crushing and grinding of food. The kinds of teeth are the incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. The salivary glands are structures in the mouth that produce saliva, which keeps the mouth moist and clean. The major salivary glands are the parotid, sublingual, and submandibular glands. The tongue is a movable muscular organ inside the mouth. It pushes the food around the mouth during mastication. Afterward, it pushes the partly digested saliva-filled mass of food called a bolus to the back of the throat or pharynx and into the opening of the esophagus. Pharynx. When the bolus, which is what becomes of food after chewing and mixing with saliva, is swallowed, it moves from the back of the mouth to the pharynx. The pharynx or throat is a thin-walled chamber of the back of the mouth that leads to either the respiratory tract or to the digestive tract. It has structures that are involved in both breathing and swallowing. In order to prevent any incoming food or liquid from entering the respiratory organs such as the trachea or windpipe, a fluff-like elastic tissue called the epiglottis acts as a lid over the larynx or voice box and directs the food into the esophagus. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food from the pharynx to the stomach. It is also called the gullet. It is about 25 cm long and extends from the end of the pharynx to the upper part of the stomach. The esophagus moves the bolus down to the stomach through rhythmic muscle contractions called peristalsis. A muscle ring called the cardioesophageal sphincter allows the entry of the bolus into the stomach and prevents the stomach contents from going back into the esophagus. Stomach. The stomach is an expandable J-shaped bag connected to both the esophagus and the small intestine. It is the body part where food is further broken down chemically and is stored temporarily. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long tube that measures about 4 cm in diameter and is located between the stomach and the large intestine. The large intestine. The large intestine is a tube that is shorter and wider than the small intestine. It measures about 2 meters in length and about 6.5 centimeters in diameter. Its regions are the cecum, colon, and rectum.
Why do living things need energy? All living organisms need energy to grow and reproduce, maintain their structures, and respond to their environment. How is energy in food utilized? When the stomach digests food, the carbohydrates in the food breaks down into another type of sugar called glucose. The stomach and the small intestine absorb the glucose and then release it to the bloodstream. So what are the difference of mechanical and chemical digestion? Mechanical digestion happens when food is beaten, turned, and crushed by the teeth, while chemical digestion begins when amylase breaks down complex carbohydrates such as starch into simple sugar. So class, that's all for our discussion for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!